Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm back today again with another reaction video to the group SB19. Someone recommended me urgently to record this video, and this video was recently released 9 hours ago because I believe I reacted to T.O.F.T.S, I think yesterday, and I posted yesterday around like 5-ish p.m. to this group, SB19, and this is them performing live again at the Love Show with Matthaios and the Juans. So hopefully I'm saying their name right. I think this is Pusuan. I think that's the name of the song. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm trying. I'm trying. Look at Ken. Hey! Oh! Oh! Come on, live instruments. Oh, I love me some Ken. Come on! The whole live band and everything. Okay. Uh-oh. Excuse my singing. Uh-oh. I'm assuming the other two bands are also P-pop from the Philippines. I need to look them up. Oh, I like those glasses, sir. Oh, he better sing. Baby, Ken. Whatever camera they're using, I want it. So clear. Okay. 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 That was so nice. I wanted to say something they recorded for Valentine's Day and they're just posting it now. Pusuan, the live show. I want to song what that was. Okay. So that was the SB19 performing live at the same The Love Show. I think their name is Matthaios and the Juans. As I would say it over and over, they're vocally talented to me live, and I know they performed before with live instruments before. I understand that, but to see them, singing with other two members, to see them perform with other group members, it was kind of very good to see. they were all able to blend together, which is I really do like. I don't know what much to say. I'm waiting for the new album, whatever the new era. I know on their Instagram the page, the marketing team is working. They're posting some new pictures. I like the new era trailer. I am excited. I don't know what they're gonna be giving us. I'm just excited. I don't know what they're gonna be giving us. I just reacted to a new group as well called BGYO, and they're doing good too. But you know, I said before in my last video that SB19 is basically open up the wave. I would say it over and over. K-pop is practically taking over, and when I see the charts when talking about K-pop, you know, SB19 is there representing for the P-pop crew. So congratulations to the guys, congratulations. So whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.